Welcome to this tutorial on how to create training with Skill Studio AI. I'm going to go ahead and click on create training, and then what I'm going to show you today is how to quickly create training using AI. So what we want to focus on today, we want to create a course on onboarding training for our new sales rep. So I'm going to go ahead and type in create training for sales rep starting at Skill Studio AI. And that is enough context for the AI to generate some course ideas. So we're going to go ahead and select intermediate, beginners, or advanced. So our reps are usually intermediate. So we want to go ahead and select that. And then AI is going to select refine even further the types of sales rep you want to generate this training for. In technology, in corporate, in SaaS. So we're going to go ahead and create product specialists in SaaS companies, which is what is Skill Studio. Exactly what type of language we want to use. So what is the objective that the audience should achieve from the training? So we have 4 options that AI generated. We can either develop customized training modules or evaluate the effectiveness of training using analytics provided by Skill Studio AI. So it's already picking up on a lot of very accurate descriptions of what type of objectives we want to achieve. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more. So I went ahead and now we have 5 objectives. Now we can refine this further and choose the language. We want to use UK, and this is what's going to be used to refine the script. I want the training to be conversational rather than professional, because sales rep tend to be on the road and having multiple conversations with the customer. So this settings, it makes sense. The type of screen here is the next selection. So we're gonna choose from what type of length we want. Do we want a quick overview video less than 5 minutes, or we want a more extensive up to 15 minutes, or a full in-depth module? So then the training will have several screens and will be in duration of over 30 minutes long. So I'm going to go ahead and select more common, 15 minutes long, 5 to 10 screens. That is just about enough to cover a majority of topics. You also have an option to select stock images, or get AI to generate images for you rather than using the stock ones. Well, we're going to actually use the AI generated images. I'm going to show you what kind of images are being created. This is the option now where you choose whether you want a voiceover. So there will be an activated narrator who will be talking to the slides, or also disable it completely. The AI narrator will pick up on the language and translation that you have selected. I selected English UK, so the narrator will be speaking with a British accent. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and click enable a narrator with the British expressive storytelling voice, which makes sense for this setting. And the next step, you can choose to enable an avatar intro video. So that will actually activate a talking head. It will generate an introductory video and explain what is the course about. So it's a very quick way to give an introduction to the learner, to understand what are they going to learn about in a very approachable way, rather than just looking at the slides. The quick intro video will give them a really quick overview on what this course is about. I'm going to go ahead and select it, and I'm going to let AI to decide what type of video it will generate, or you can use from our predefined templates. So that's for avatar video. You can also add in cinematic B-roll, so it's going to activate a background video with some graphics and motions. So that's it. The course is now going to be generated, and we wait up to 2 minutes for it to finish.